One thing I've personally noticed about new construction homes is that many buyers accidentally help the builder negotiate against them. And I was just reminded of this over the weekend. I had a buyer come up from the Bay Area looking at a new construction community here in North Natomas. We found a home she really liked. The location was great. The floor plan was great. The builder was offering incentives. And naturally, she expressed interest in the home. Now, most buyers think that's harmless. But here's what I noticed. The moment a builder knows which home is your favorite, the moment a builder knows you're emotionally attached, the moment a builder knows you stopped looking at alternatives, you've just given away information. And information is leverage. In this particular situation, it became obvious that the builder knew there was interest in this particular home, not just from my buyer, from multiple buyers. And once the builder knew demand was increasing, the dynamic changed. The builder's negotiating position improved. Because once they knew how much interest existed, they had every incentive to use that information to the builder's advantage, not the buyer's, because they had more information. That's the lesson. The strongest buyers don't just evaluate the home, they protect their leverage. They keep alternatives on the table, they avoid becoming emotionally committed too early, and they understand that every conversation is providing information to the other side. That's one of the reasons I believe buyers should have representation from the very beginning of the process. Because sometimes the most valuable thing your realtor does isn't finding the home. It's helping you avoid giving away leverage before negotiations even begin. I'm Dennis Elliott, North Natomas real estate specialist. If you've been thinking about buying a home in North Natomas or anywhere in the greater Sacramento area, call or text me today, and I'd be happy to discuss a strategy that helps protect your leverage to find you the best home that's right for you.